Concern about a jobless future has never been greater, and the concerns are understandable. Artificial intelligence, long academic theory and Hollywood plotline, is becoming real at an astonishing pace and finding its way into more and more aspects of the work we all do. AI is now being used to read X-rays and MRIs. It's at the heart of stock trading. Chat with Siri or Alexa and you're using AI. Soon it'll be found in every job, in every profession, in every industry around the world. When machines do everything, lots of people wonder, what will we do? What work will be left for humans? How will we make a living when machines are cheaper and faster and smarter than us? To answer that question, we've studied the major macroeconomic, political, social, cultural, business and technology trends that you can see today to come up with a list of 21 jobs that we think over the next few years are going to become popular and mainstream and replace the jobs currently being eaten away by software. The 21 jobs in our report cover many disciplines, markets and technologies, but fall within three key themes. Coaching, helping people get better at things like managing their finances. Caring, improving people's health and wellness. Connecting, man and machine, traditional and shadow IT, the physical and the virtual. Commerce with ethics. And these three C's speak to a universal truth that no matter how technological our age becomes, ultimately we as humans want the human touch. These are a few of the jobs we feature in the report.
Personal data brokers create value from the data that swirls around everyone and everything. As we move into a world of ever tighter data regulation and data management is becoming sovereign, if a company wants to use your data for their commercial goals, then they should pay you to use it. Every click, like, swipe generates insight and can and should be traded as a commodity, generating an income stream. Personal data brokers will help their clients, organizations and individuals recognize the value from their data. They will ensure that money, data, isn't left on the table. Soon, there'll be data bourses that will complement and compete with traditional stock markets. Personal data brokers will price and trade data in an open market. If data is the new oil, then personal data brokers are the world's new oil traders.
Winning companies in this new age will be those that reimagine their workforce by tapping into the unprecedented power of people and machines working together in ways we have never imagined. At the center of this new blended workforce will be the man-machine manager, who will define roles and responsibilities and set the rules how machines and humans should collaborate to accomplish a task. The ultimate goal of this new role is to advance human-bot cooperation strategies through a shared task model and an interaction system that can take organizations and individual human workers to entirely new performance thresholds.
Digital tailors work with their customers in their homes or workplaces to make sure that clothes ordered online fit perfectly when delivered. Currently, 40% of clothes ordered over the internet are returned because they don't fit. Digital tailors will be instrumental in fixing this and seeing e-commerce clothes retailing really taking off. At the moment, it represents less than 10% of the overall market. The digital tailor will use next-gen measuring technology to ensure that all the required measurements are captured correctly, upload them into the central cloud-based ordering system, and then offer value-added advice and recommendations to their customer about styling, cloth choice, drape, fashion trends, new designer names, and upcoming events. Digital tailors will be important brand ambassadors for designers and will be the front line of a sales team for retailers.
An AI-assisted healthcare technician is the future of affordable global medical care. Qualified nurses working in tandem with artificial intelligence technology are the new doctors for millions, if not billions, of people around the globe who maybe cannot afford or don't have access to traditional healthcare resources. These technicians can be trained more quickly than doctors, deployed in huge numbers, but over time will actually have greater capabilities than doctors working without AI assistance. AI-assisted healthcare technician will be the face of healthcare in the fourth industrial revolution, providing outstanding diagnostic care, but with a human touch that AI systems will never be able to deliver.
Augmented reality is all around us, on your smartphone, and soon to be in special glasses that people wear and take with them everywhere they go. AR Journey Builders are the engineers and artists that will make this new dimension come to life. They'll craft real-time immersive experiences that help us take trips, understand what's around us, and make information available to us in completely new and exciting ways. They'll write, produce, and personalize all types of content for in-the-moment vignettes that take our experience of the world to another level. Maybe you want to virtually jam with your favorite rock star. AR Journey Builders will make that happen. Want to raid the Death Star on your morning commute? AR Journey Builders are the magicians that will place you on the Millennium Falcon. They're the successors to composers, bricklayers, and playwrights from a century ago. Equal parts experience conductors, data overlayers, and like playwrights, think of them as CX wrights or UX wrights.
Work's been central to mankind for millennia. Popular names make that clear. Maybe your second name is Baker or Brewer, Mason or Judge. In the future, work will continue to be core to our identities, our nature, our dreams and our realities. But it won't necessarily be the work we know or do now. Check out our report to examine in more detail the new jobs that are emerging. You never know, one day you might be doing one of them.